guys, Backyard Zach here. I bought a shitbox truck. My taillights aren't working right. Found out these are aftermarket. It's kind of cool. They have like an American flag on them. I'm all full of silicone because I'm modifying these right now. I put like a plug from the running light and drilled a hole through it, and yeah, basically I had another parts truck running around and I pulled this license plate light harness from it, and I'm going to wire that into my truck because the only thing that works on these are the blinkers and the brake lights, and I can't figure out, it's not a fuse, I don't know. I have no idea about wirings. I don't even know if this is gonna work, so bear with me. I literally just took this housing apart right here that holds this light for the license plate, and basically just broke off this top part right here. Popped off this plastic part, this part, and then put it flush, put some silicone on it, and this slides into the socket and locks in, like so. I'm gonna be running it to a toggle switch and to a fuse and then to the battery. If everyone in the comments tells me this is wrong, I don't care. I drive a shitbox for a living. It'll buff. Right now I'm going to the store to get parts for this mess. And yeah, this is gonna be interesting. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I've got it all rigged. I'll show you guys when it's all done. Oh, I had to throw this in there, but the only thing that will not be in the description will be the copper wire, because I don't know how much that costs. And I run a junk and scrap removal, and I just happen to come across spools of copper. And I come about them once in a while. If they look decent, I'll keep them around, and this is why I keep them around. DIY projects. So I've got a wiring mess, but I just took a deck screw, put some shrink wrap on this, put it on the connector, hooked it to here, and now this is the switch. That on. I'm gonna be getting red LEDs for the back here. I'm happy. I had let me pop the hood real quick. My hood popper's janky. I ran a fuse to the wire and then ran it down into the frame and then to the back. Turn them on. This is the difference between a red light and a white light. This is awesome. Now hit the brake light. Now hit the hazards. All right, turn them off. Now hit the brake light again. Dude, this is awesome. I like this. This guy's idea right here to put the red LED bulbs in. You're about to see what this looks like. Dude, yo, this actually looks nice. You could definitely see that from a distance away. Like, for sure. The brake lights. Oh, dang, yeah, those are bright. Oh my gosh. All right, now turn turn the hazards on. Now turn them off. Now turn the other light off, the switch. Now back on. That is cool. Go to turn it back off. Turn it back on. You can see the switch. That's how bright the switch is. All right. I like the way these turned out.